Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Easy Fix Tech Tips. So guys, in this video I will tell you that how you can change the location of your taskbar. Like if you want to put your taskbar on the top or on the right or on the left, wherever you want. In Windows 11 you can easily do it. So today I will show you that how you can simply change the location of your taskbar. So to do that, you just have to open the start and you have to type REG. Then you have to open the register editor. Then click yes. And from here you have to click on edit. Then click on find. Then you have to type here stuck regit 3. And click enter. It will take some time, you just have to wait for it to get it finished. After that you can find the option of setting right here. You just have to double click on that and then you have to go on second row 5th column. You will see the option here of 0 1. In my case you will see the option here of 0 3. You just have to change it to 0 1, just like that. I have already 0 1. You just have to click on that and type 0 1. That's it. And then you have to click on OK. Then that's it for the setting. And then you have to right click on the tab and click on task setting. And also you have to right click and then click on task manager. From here you need to find the Windows Explorer. In my case it's here. You just have to right click on that, then click on restart. Then again you just have to open the setting and then you have to change it to 0 1 and then click OK. So you have to do that 2 times, then the setting will get applied. So guys, that's it for today's video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. I will see you in the next video, and at the end you have to again click on Windows Explorer and click on restart. So guys, don't forget to subscribe our channel Easy Fix Tech Tips. I will see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.